Hello Casio fans from all over the world. Today we're gonna unwrap two MRW-200 watches and we're gonna see what should we do with them. I don't know, maybe one will be hydro modded and the other one maybe switch the module possibly. Let's see what we can do with them.
One, two. Oh, this is a way damaged one. Even the glass, it's not the original glass. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, the bezel moves or doesn't move, and the strap, it is from a fake strap from the F91. Most probably this model will be shifted to other watch that I have and it is not working. And the other one is this one. Again, this one has a F91 strap and here is written in compatible Casio. Interesting. Oh my god, this is way funny. Okay, the back looks pretty okay. Let's see the bezel. It's stuck, yet this one has the original glass and the other one has some kind of a bulky glass. I don't know, it's so rounded. Plastic, all is plastic. The hands are moving, the watch is scratched. Let's see what we can do with both of them. Stay tuned.
We are having here three MRW-200. This is mine and it is the original one bought from new. It is in original condition, the case, the strap, the glass, everything. The second one, the strap is not original, this is again not original, and I'm referring to the glass. The bezel does not work, this does not have a battery, and the glass is scratched. The third one, it is in an even awful condition. The bezel does not work, the strap is not the original one, and the glass, it is exchanged with another type of glass. I'm not sure what it is, but looks definitely different than the rest of the watches. With this one I will leave it for a different project. I am thinking to swap the module to my MMA-200, which the model is broken. The original one will be left in its original condition and we will proceed with this one. What we will do is take down the bracelet, remove it, throw it away, clean a little the watch, polish the display, replace the battery for sure. Hope it will work. I do not have any doubt that it will not work, and I will put an original strap, at least a strap that is bought from AliExpress for Casio. What I will do further on is put some mineral oil in it. I'm a little afraid because this mineral oil is kind of yellow, so it is not white or completely transparent, but this is also yellow. I think it will be a negative impact, but we will see. Let's start and remove. Oh my god, this is also very difficult. One down. The spring bars look pretty good, but the strap, this is funny, compatible with Casio. It is a very hard plastic. This one has the 5125 module. This one has again the same module, different batches, different quality, and the sealing rubber is sticked to the back case. Normally should have been here in its dedicated space. And again we have a Miyota movement and it is written on the movement 2305, so similar with the 1313 module. Now let's take this plastic which I have damaged it. Perfect. Now we see that it is an LR626, so the same as for the 1330 module. We should untighten a little this small screw that helps the plate to secure the battery. Battery is out. Let's put a new one. I will just put a GP battery, so AG4 the equivalent. Let's see the moment of truth. I was afraid that it will not work, so make sure you tighten the screw that secures the battery pretty good, otherwise it will not make contact and it will not work. It's good that the module is working. I'm satisfied with this. Now what we need to do is take out the crown, remove the module and start to clean the watch. In order to remove the crown, we need to push that little tiny button, and while pushing, pull out the crown. So not necessary on that small pusher, just the end of the plate, push it down. Let's take the module out. Make sure do not touch the hands of the watch. Here is a little mess, and what I will do is put the module inside this box. Close it. First I will just put the screws, the spring bars and the crown with the stern and also the back plate. So all this metal stuff will be placed here. Here is the ring with the markers, and I do not know why it was a little stuck. I'm not sure about its working mechanism. Maybe to take it off, just remove it. I will go and wash this one. This does not have to be washed, neither this one. I have cleaned the back case. Here it's visible some sign of oxidation. I have cleaned also the case itself. In the end it was not that dirty, even though just rinse it with water, and then I have put some dish detergent so that I can remove entirely the grease, and also the rubber seal was cleaned as well, just with water. And now what I will do, I need to polish the display, so the glass needs to be polished. I'm definitely sure that this strong scratch that is visible next to 35 cannot be removed entirely. I still have some polywatch. Hope it will be enough. Oh yes! On the polywatch instructions, they say that you need to polish it in a circular way, around 2 to 3 minutes. I do not know if I will have the patience to do this. This is the second time that I'm doing it. Now I will just rinse it with moistured napkins. My assumption is that the glass is way cleaner, although the big one, I could not remove it. Strange that this glass has a little magnifying effect, and I guess this is relevant to diving watches. I will now start to put the oil here. Normally this recipient, I guess it is kind of small, but I will try to do my best in here, and we will need to fill it as much as possible because we will need to sink entirely the module, also the case, and close it entirely into the oil. Meanwhile, I have waited until the bubbles had disappeared. Now let's start and assemble the watch. This ring has a poka-yoke system. We see those ribs there, and it can be placed only in one direction. And this is the direction. I will now insert entirely the case and let it sink. Perfect. Now that the case is sink, normally we should wait a little until we remove the bubbles. And now let's sink the module. I should put it like this because here we need to insert. We just leave it and sink by its own weight. We need to put this, and this rib has to be placed above the battery, so this is the correct way. This also has this poka-yoke system because we see the dent for the ribs. Yeah, let me take the phone to show you also. How does it look? It looks pretty well. Now everything seems to be placed correctly. The biggest issue is that I have somehow misjudged the diameter of this, and I need to insert the crown.
The ship will not fit. We'll fit, Captain. We will not fit. We'll fit! We'll fit!
So all my work has been somehow ruined because I should have put a bigger recipient.
I told you we fit. I am not sure that qualifies.
Now normally all the bubbles should come out. I'm just hoping that I do everything correctly. I somehow made some steps wrongly. Now let's put this rubber seal. I don't like it because it has lost its circular form. It's correct placed. Well, definitely I'm a little nervous. Now I will tighten the screws entirely. And too bad that one screw is damaged, so thread is damaged. Let's take it out and see what we have managed to do. Perfect. I have there some little bubbles and it feels very heavy, and to be honest I can live with those bubbles. I am afraid not to increase the diameter of the bubbles. I will now go and wash it, and I will use dish detergent so those bubbles are barely visible. I would say that I have a little improved my hydro modding abilities. Pretty good. I hope it will remain the same. I hope it will not increase the diameter. So I have used the dish detergent to clean the watch from grease. It looks so good. I like it. I like it. We can see some bubbles, but they are sitting on the circular markers, and the watch looks great. I have managed to hydro mod the watch as good as I could. Now let's put the original strap, or the strap that it is dedicated for this watch. Here it is. It looks does not look that good. It's having the same design, yet we see some ribs on the edges, but it's made for Casio. The spring bars looks a little thick but it is manageable. I am having here this spring removal tool. This one has to be placed at 12 o'clock. Since it's dedicated, it should fit. The other one at 6 o'clock. And voila, this is the watch. Let's put it in comparison with the original one. So this is light watch, this is a heavy watch. What do you think of these little two watches? Which one looks better, the right one or the left one? We might have some bubbles in it. Definitely looks great. It is a hard job, this hydro modding watch. You have to be patient. This is my second attempt. Yes, some improvements are visible compared to W800 watch that was digital. This is analog watch. I have that small bubble there, hoping that this watch will remain with that small bubble. Definitely looks great. Definitely looks great.
This is how it looks. It looks perfect. Look the difference, how it is visible from the edge. So perfect, so good. Wow, unbelievable. Even if the oil was yellow, still it is very good, very visible. And I did not affect at all the visibility due to the color of the oil. Normally should have been white, but you gotta work with what you have. Definitely as comparison, it looks very good. I like it.
Here I am back again. I guess you have enjoyed this video. I guess you enjoyed this hydro modding. It is not a job for everyone, and not even for me. This was my second attempt, and I guess I have somehow succeeded pretty good. I am satisfied with my work, and I definitely enjoyed the display. I definitely enjoyed how good it is seeing these digits, these hands. It's like a display. It's like an iPhone display or a Samsung. Let me see your thinking and your thoughts in the comment section, and yes, see you next week. Bye.